guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha, and if you're new here, welcome. Subscribe down below. I make fashion videos, I make hair videos, specifically extension videos, and today we're actually going to be talking about lash extensions, and I am showing you guys how I apply these right here. So these are the Ardell Naked Lashes. So I actually apply mine a little bit differently. I apply mine underneath my lash line because it gives a more natural look. It looks more like natural, or more like lash extensions. Now these, I just wanted to try them out, and turns out they look more like just plain natural lashes versus natural lash extensions. So it looks kind of just like I have long eyelashes versus how I would look if I actually put on different lashes, which if you go to my Instagram, you can see pretty much anything since October I've had lash extensions on in the pictures. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys how I apply these. I do make some and sell them. They are on my website, which I'll leave down below if you are interested in purchasing those. But in this video, I just kind of wanted to try these out and see what they look like. So if you want to see how I got these lash extensions, just keep watching.
Alright guys, so to do these lash extensions, you're going to need some tweezers. These are just a pair that I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. You're going to need a mirror, preferably one with a magnified mirror in it. Some lash glue. This is a Glad Girl Lash Lock glue. I'll leave a link down below as well. And some lash extensions. So these were strip lashes that I cut up to make these lash extensions, which I find to be the best. But you can also buy pre-made lash extension pieces that are designed for this process specifically. I just prefer this version myself. So what I'm doing is I've put the glue on prior to filming the video, and I let it sit for about 15 seconds so that it could get tacky. And then what I'm doing is just applying the lashes to my lash base. I'm not applying it to my skin, just to the very base of my lashes, right almost up against my skin, but not quite touching it. If this is latex glue, so if you are allergic to latex, I would caution you against it. As you saw, I dropped the piece, so this is not a perfect technique. I do tend to struggle sometimes. Now I'm down to about 5 minutes it takes me to install these, but when I first started, it would take me anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and so I just want you to know that it does get easier. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is take these lash tweezers here. These are what you use to apply strip lashes. These also came in that same set, and I'm just kind of sandwiching the lashes with my natural lashes. These can last anywhere from 3 to 5 days, depending on how wet you get your lashes, but they look super natural, as you guys can see. These actually look more natural than the ones I typically wear, but I kind of just wanted to see what other lashes look like. So